It's my proud privilege to introduce Ashfaq Lal Khan sir. First of all, on behalf of Noori Academy, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude towards Ashfaq Lal Khan sir for accepting our humble invitation and sharing his valuable time along with us. Today, he is along with us for sharing valuable information on newly prescribed textbook for 10th standard. Today, he will deliver his lecture over the aspect of textbook, that what kinds of lessons have been prescribed in the newly formed textbook, what are the criteria, on the basis of that students' skill will be evaluated. So first of all, let me introduce him. That I think, as per my information is concerned, he has been teaching in JT Girls High School and Junior College. Right now, he is the president of AMETA, All Malegaon English Teachers Association, and he is one of the best teachers of English in Malegaon. I have seen him teaching in numerous places. He is the best teacher of English, and he has good knowledge and command over English language. He has mastery over English language. Whenever he delivers lecture anywhere, he tries to eradicate the problems of students. Today I expect same thing, that as he has good mastery over English language, so today he will tackle the problems of students. That most of the students, they have lots of problem in complexity regarding the new syllabus of English. They don't know that what kinds of questions are going to be asked in the examination, what is the criteria, or what are the basis for the evaluation of students. So today he will tackle all the problems, and I think he will deliver lecture after lecture. So first of all, he will deliver lecture on aspect of English textbook. So I humbly request Ashfaq Lal Khan sir, please initiate your valuable lectures for enriching information of students as well as teachers.